Hello children, myself Rachna Thakkar, your EVS teacher from Brilliant Public School. I am here with my another video. Today we shall learn about our country, India. Children, tell me, which country do we live in? Yes, exactly. We live in India. Each person in this world proud of their country. We proud belong to India because India is a country where people respect elders. People of India live in peace and harmony. Our country is our motherland and pride and proud we possess for our nation is the respect that we have for our motherland in our hearts and soul. So let us learn more about our country, India. India is a land of diverse landforms and culture. Some of the tallest mountains of the world, vast and fertile plains, rugged plateaus, hot dry deserts, and long sandy beaches can be found in India. India is a vast land. It is the seventh largest country of the world in terms of area, and its population is the second largest country. People speaking more than 23 different languages and belonging to many different religions can be found here. In spite of these differences, all Indians are united by the love they have for their country. Location of India. India is located in the south of the continent of Asia, the largest 7 continents. The northern part of India is surrounded by land. The southern part of India is surrounded by water on 3 sides. It has the Indian Ocean on the south, the Arabian Sea on the west, and Bay of Bengal on the east. Children, we have 7 continents. Do you know which are those? Okay, let me tell you. So, 7 continents are Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, Europe, North America, South America. And we have 4 oceans, and they are Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Indian Ocean. India has several neighbors. To the northwest are Afghanistan and Pakistan. To the north are China and Nepal. Bhutan lies to the northeast, and to the east are Myanmar and Bangladesh. Across the oceans, India has the island of Maldives on the southwest, Sri Lanka on the south, and Indonesia on the southeast. India is a land of vastly varied landforms. If you travel across India, you will find different physical regions. There are mountains, plains, deserts, and plateaus. Very few places in the world have these all different types of landforms. Let's look at each landform. First, we look at the mountain ranges of India. A mountain is a large platform that rises above the surrounding land in a limited area, usually in the form of peak. Some of the highest peaks in the world are found here. One of the highest mountain peak in this range is Mount Everest. Mount Everest is also the highest mountain peak in the world. Now, the second is deserts. Children, deserts are extremely dry regions. They can be located in any location on the earth that receives very less rainfall every year. Examples are Thar Desert, Sahara Desert, and desert is a region of land that is very dry because it receives very less amount of rain. Next is plateaus. Plateaus is a flat, elevated landform that rises sharply above the surrounding area on at least one side. Plateaus occur on every continent and take up a third of the Earth's land. There are world's major 34 plateaus along with their locations. Examples are Deccan Plateau, Mexican Plateau, etc. Next is plains. Plain is a large area of flat land with few trees. Plains form in different ways. Some form as ice and water erodes. Examples are Australian plains, Great Plains, and European plains. On the basis of its physical features, India can be divided into 5 main regions. First is Northern Mountains, second is Northern Plains, third is Deccan Plateau, fourth is the Coastal Plain and Islands, fifth is the Western Deserts. A map showing the kind of land a country has is called a physical map. And India is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. So, it's all about our beautiful country, India. We dream of a digital India where knowledge is strength and empowers the people so we can raise our country to a new greatness. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care till we meet next time.